Your bathroom vanity doesn't have to be a total mess. With a few simple additions and a bit of skill, you can transform your cabinets from cluttered to stylish. Don't worry if you're not handy. In the description below, I've included links to prefab organization items that are ready to install with just a few screws. So let's take a look at the three most important upgrades for under-sink organization made from real wood. Adding storage space to a cabinet is super easy. Just add a shelf. We did just that on one side of this cabinet. If you're adding shelves under the sink, you'll probably need to notch around the plumbing like we did on this shelf. This is a budget-friendly option that'll double your vertical space. We used solid pine, cut to size for our shelf, but plywood is another great choice. Avoid using particle board or MDF since those materials won't hold up if they get wet under your sink. To support the shelf, we added 1x2s on the sides, back, and middle cabinet divider. Just make sure to drill only through the cabinet and not the wall to avoid hitting any plumbing. If you don't have a circular saw to cut your shelf, most home improvement stores can cut shelves from the lumber you buy if you know the dimensions. Next up, let's look at adding a drawer. On the left side of this cabinet, we built a drawer made from pine boards with two dividers to keep cleaning supplies organized and separate. We used 2x2 lumber screwed into the bottom to space the drawer away from the cabinet frame and give the drawer slides a solid mounting surface. I recommend springing for full extension drawer slides with soft close. We also installed an inexpensive paper towel holder mounted to the inside of the cabinet for quick cleanups. Here's another easy storage idea. You can add tilt-out bins in the front of the sinks to hold small items. These are easy to install behind the blank cabinet panel, and the plastic trays are removable. I keep my toothpaste and floss in these. I'll put the links to these and the other items we used in the description below. Now is a great time to add cabinet door dampers to allow a soft close. These are also inexpensive and easy to install quickly with just one screw into the cabinet frame. The center of our vanity already had 4 drawers, but we needed organization for small items. In one of the middle drawers, we used an adjustable divider so that the space could be modified as needed. For the upper 2 drawers, we made custom dividers to give us multiple small storage sections. We also added self-adhesive cork shelf liner to the bottom of all drawers. We left the large bottom drawer for bulky items like my hairdryer and its accessories. Between the sink bowls and the plumbing, it's a bit awkward to add storage, but it can be done. With under-sink organization, the goal is to use as much vertical space as possible. Depending on the height of the items that will be in the drawers, you may be able to have 2 or 3 drawers per side. We used a vertical divider to support a second upper drawer on the left side and a shelf on the right. Drawer organizer inserts keep everything organized, and we used leather pulls on our drawers for an upscale look. Our upper drawer was mounted using a 2x2 on the cabinet's left side and attached directly to the center divider on the right. Due to the plumbing, we were unable to add a full-width top shelf on the right side, but take a look at the 2 small shelves we were able to install on each side of the opening. We used black metal brackets to support an L-shaped shelf in the back below the plumbing. The shelf on the right side is a bit higher and was also attached with brackets screwed into the cabinet. For the right drawer in this cabinet, we built a custom hair tool cubby using 2 identical top and bottom pieces with special sized holes to hold curling irons. We made the right side of this drawer with a higher side piece so the hair tool cords would not interfere with the cabinet when sliding the drawer in and out. The remaining drawer area was divided into small compartments to hold brushes and other hair accessories. Here is a full view of each cabinet after the installation of our new bathroom organization. Everything that we show in this video was custom made, but if you don't want to build things from scratch, see the description for links to comparable pre-made organization items that are ready to install in your cabinets. And here I am restocking all of the cabinets. It's amazing how much more can fit into the cabinets with the new drawers, shelves, and organization items that maximize the space. I found that just having a dedicated area for my cleaning products separate from my personal beauty products is a huge improvement. The addition of pull-out drawers inside the cabinets has made accessing items so much easier. Now that I've showed you how to incorporate shelves, drawers, and the use of vertical space in your cabinet, you too can transform your cabinets from cluttered to stylish. Here you can see how much vertical space we've utilized by just having my curling irons upright on the side of the drawer. The small shelves we installed are great for storing things that I don't frequently need to access. Full extension drawer slides are important because they make it super easy to reach items all the way in the back of the drawers. All of the drawers we added are easily removed from the slides whenever you need to clean inside the cabinet or access the plumbing under the sink. My beauty products are no longer a cluttered mess, and the dividers inside from the drawers keep everything from falling over when I reach for an item. Drawer organizers are a fast and easy way to keep drawers clutter-free. The small sections in the organizer gives everything a proper place and prevents small items from becoming a mess. We like to keep frequently used items like cotton swabs in the upper drawer so they're easily accessible. Just the simple addition of the shelf made it easier to store our clean towels and washcloths. We even added a mini dustpan and broom on the side of the cleaning products cabinet. See the description for a link to this handy little item. Thanks for watching. If you learned something or this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to help me bring you more content like this.